What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Just Kicks back on the video, and today we're going down to the beach. My mom's already down there, but I'm gonna just get day 4. I'm gonna catch you guys when we're down there. All right, so we got my dad's GoPro. Yeah, come on. We've been chilling here for a while. Just chilling at the beach, getting the waves. I'm just doing this quick thing just to show y'all what we're doing. The waves have been crazy.
My God.
We've been out here for like an hour, maybe.
Huh?
We've probably been out here for like an hour. I said we've probably been out here for like an hour. We've been here for like an hour just chilling. I was just showing you guys us in the water or whatever. The waves actually calmed down. But I'm about to get my dad's GoPro back. I'll catch you guys back when we're in the room or something like that. Okay, so we just pulled up to the mini golfing thing. We're about to go mini golfing. I'm gonna catch you guys when we basically start. Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, welcome back to Brother Big John's Backyard Fishing. We are on vacation. Having Big John on vacation.
I'm just gonna
The family out. We at world famous Jurassic Park golf course. What's going through? Pros last. Yeah, so you play the same way. What are you trying to get us? You come on, I don't take it serious. Don't. You become a jacket. I just come out on it. Get out of my way! Oh man!
That was horrible. My little brother's up. I'm next. So yeah.
My son got his camera and everything. That's Just Playing Kick Spots over there. Go check them out. All about them tennis shoes and stuff like that.
They're new. They just came on board. They're not.
Just Playing Kick Spot. That's pretty close there, bro. That was not.
Nobody has any skill but you.
Alright, so my mom's going and yeah, my mom's going right now. I might just have this maybe this speed up as I'm going, just so the video's not ridiculously long. So yeah.
Be very quiet. Oh, how do you miss that? Yeah, I got that on film, bro. Looks like the pimps going down. Like Tiger Woods right now. I don't even remember from year to year who won. because you was normally winning. Ladies and gentlemen, be very quiet as he approaches the 5th hole. He surveys it. He looks at it.
Seems like you need a
He takes
taller.
his wife and
What do you say?
he misses completely
tallest.
wide.
I know. It seems like it's not quite as tall. It seems like you need a taller.
But the Reds don't like coming from behind, man. That's why I'm mad. I don't want to do it. Hold on, baby. Hold on, baby. Hold on. Hold on, baby. The hole is your friend. You hit the hole.
Go in.
Oh, he made it.
It's still going down. Oh my God. It stopped.
It stopped.
Huh?
It stopped.
Come on, Mama.
Yeah, inside the cave.
I thought it was your turn.
No, I said I'm gonna go last. I'm gonna try so. Is she in it?
Did you hit mine?
Darren? What's it in?
What? It's Monday, my dudes. What did you say? Oh!
Okay, it's my turn. My dad got him the first try. I'm gonna probably struggle. So yeah. Alright, I hope you guys can hear me. We're on hole like 11 or 12. I'm gonna There you go. I'm gonna come back when we're like sort of like almost done. So the video's not so long. But I don't think we're doing anything. We're probably not doing anything else. It's like 9, 10. So I'll be back. Alright, YouTube. So we're actually back in my room. To be honest, I thought I did like the outro already and stuff like that at the place, but I guess I didn't. I'm ragged up and whatnot. It's It's 1:19. Over here starting to edit for day 4. I use my dad's GoPro. Hope this is focused. I use my dad's GoPro, and that was pretty cool. Get you guys when I'm in the water. But hopefully, if we go to the water park, I'll be able to use it again. And yeah, so I hope you guys liked today's vlog. To be honest, I didn't think we were going mini golfing till tomorrow, but I'm pretty sure we're going shopping tomorrow. So, get ready for that because there's 2 outlets, another mall. So we're gonna be doing a lot of shopping, and I'm probably going. I don't know about getting like a lot of shoes wise, but clothes most definitely. But yeah. So basically, that's really it. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'm gone.